Hello, my name is Ungar Villamizar and this is my submission for Project Zero Search, part of CS50W web programming with Python and JavaScript 2025. This is the main search page. Users can enter a query and click the search button to be redirected to Google search results. Therefore, use the get method and target Google search endpoint. Below the search field, there is also an I'm feeling lucky button. When clicked, it redirects the user directly to the top results from Google using the BTNI parameter. At the top right corner of every page, there are navigation links. From the main page, users can access the image search and advanced search page. This is the image search page. It includes a search field and a hidden input that sets the TVM parameter to ISCH, enabling Google's image search. When a query is submitted, the user is redirected to image results. This is the advanced search page. It includes 4 input fields. All these words, except phrase, any of these words, and none of these words. Each field maps to the appropriate Google search parameter. All input fields on the advanced search page are vertically aligned. The layout is clean and consistent, using a column-based form structure. The search button of the advanced search page is styled with a blue background and white text as required. It matches the styling of the main search button for consistency. All pages are functional and styled according to the project specification. Thank you for watching.